This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back, everyone. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad on Tuesday, January 28th. Let's jump right into today's session. We had 285 new highs on the NYSE versus 202 new lows. Pretty even. We had 51% of stocks advancing versus 45% declining. 48% of shares are below the 50-day, and 43% of shares are below the 200-day moving average. All of the indices closed green. If I had to summarize today's session, was this a bounce or was this a bottom that could be traded off of and a dip to buy? We won't know, obviously, for another few sessions, but I do want to point out that there are a ton of important earnings and or Federal Reserve type news. So let's summarize here. You have, after the Wednesday close, you have Microsoft, Meta, and Tesla reporting. And on Thursday, you have Apple reporting after the market close. But there are plenty of other names, like Starbucks reports tonight after close. In the morning, you have ASML Holdings, ADP. On Thursday, before the bell, you have MasterCard, Shell, UPS. So there's a ton of earnings coming out. Then tomorrow afternoon, you have the Fed rate decision. Will they cut? Will they raise? Will they stay put? That's coming out on Wednesday. So today really was, I suspect, a bounce because the volumes were not spectacular from what I saw. Things bounced where they should have, and they stopped bouncing where they also should have. So we'll see what happens. I have a poll for everybody. If you are a current Tesla car owner, I would love to just get a read on the room. Would you repurchase another Tesla? Probably not consider repurchasing at all. Or I guess folks that don't have one, you can also respond, I don't own a Tesla. Or you're just here snooping for the results. I would love to know. Let's keep peeling this onion. What else stood out? In the S&P to the upside, you had F5 up 16.7%, Royal Caribbean 11.9%, CrowdStrike 9%, Invesco 8.9%, Vistra Energy bouncing 8.8%, Nvidia bouncing 8.09%. Keep in mind they were down 17% yesterday. Carnival up 8%, Norwegian Cruise 7.8%. Wow, it's that time of year, I guess. People are booking cruises. GE Vernova 7.6%, Moderna 7.3%, Arista Network 6.8%. In the NASDAQ, I'll try to dedupe because there's a lot of duplicates. MongoDB up 7.4%, Datadog 6.9%, Zscaler 6.8%, Palantir 6.3%, AppLovin 5.6%, Axon 5.4%, and Apple 3.65%. Other notables, you have Marvell up 3.5%, and Starbucks was green 3.7% before the close. What was weak on the S&P? GM after earnings, after they beat, down 9%. Lockheed Martin down.
If you're intrigued by what you've heard today, if you're ready to challenge your own assumptions and explore a new approach to investing, then I encourage you to check out Not Your Advisor.
Explore their website.
Listen to a few podcast episodes.
See if their philosophy resonates with you.
You might just discover a whole new way of thinking about investing.
One that empowers you to achieve your financial goals.
And that's what it's all about.
Absolutely.
So until next time.
Yeah.
Keep learning, keep questioning, and keep diving deeper